Hello students. So your teacher is again back with an interesting topic. Do you all know what the topic is? So today we will learn about the sound of R. So what is the sound of R? Do you all know? Let us hear the sound of R. So what is the sound of R? The sound of R is What we have to do? We have to shake our head side to side and then we have to say the sound. So this is the sound of R. So let us begin with a short story. Okay, are you all ready? A boy has a playful puppy. The puppy finds an old blanket. He grips it in his teeth and shakes it from side to side. The boy grabs the blanket, but the puppy hangs on tightly, going "Urr, urr." The blanket rips. It looks like a rag now. So the boy calls his puppy Rags. So what there is a boy who was playing with the puppy and the puppy finds an old blanket. Then as you can see in the picture, he grips it in his teeth and shakes it from side to side. The boy grabs the blanket, but the puppy hangs on tightly. He was hanging the blanket very tightly inside the teeth and he shakes his head like the sound comes So this is the sound of R. So here are some word banks of R. What are the words with sounds? Rag, ran, rib, rest, rent, trip. Though trip starts from T, but the sound is trip, trip. So it is R sound. So there are many more words related to this. These are some word banks. Now let us hear some rhymes related to R sound.
See my puppy rip the rag, See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard.
So, have you all heard the song? Let us sing this song together.
See my puppy rip the rag, See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard.
So this is the song of R. Now, have you all understood what is the sound of R and what is the words related to R? Now children, tell me, can you all tell me which of these words does not contain the R sound? Okay, let me tell you. As you can see, the first picture is an apple, the second one is dog, and the third one is rat. So is apple R sound word? No. Is dog R sound word? No. Is rat R sound word? Yes, rat is the R sound word. And which does not contain R sound is apple and dog. Apple and dog does not contain R sound, but rat contains. So I hope you all understood this chapter. Now it's time to say goodbye. Take care everyone. Thank you.